Meet chocolate. Not that chocolate. This chocolate. Chocolate is a 66-pound retriever. She's here today to get surgery. Who's a brave girl? Oh, yes, you are. Before she can get her surgery, Chocolate's going to need midazolam, a controlled substance that will be logged, distributed, and invoiced by John. His practice management software doesn't integrate with his drug storage device. And Jackie. She's using ezyVet integrated with a Cubex smart cabinet. Let's see how they compare. Using ezyVet's quick search function, Jackie easily finds the midazolam and adds it to Chocolate's medical record. Meanwhile, John needs to type the drug request out manually in his software. Now, it's time to collect the midazolam. Come on, John, let's go! Jackie scans her finger at the Cubex cabinet. It records her ID and dispense information and sends the item back to ezyVet for billing. The cabinet unlocks and the midazolam compartment opens up. Meanwhile, John, it's the red key. The red key. Attaboy. Before John collects the midazolam, he needs to manually log the drug. He's in a hurry, but thankfully, vets are well known for their fine penmanship. After logging the midazolam, the only thing left to do is… Wait a minute! Aren't you forgetting something?
The methadone.
Quick as a flash, Jackie requests the methadone on the Cubex cabinet screen, and bingo bango, the cabinet unlocks. Meanwhile, John is… There you go. Sheesh, what a mess. At least he makes time to record the drug properly in the… John, wait! Are you kidding me? If only John knew that ezyVet and Cubex could help him reduce inventory spend, reduce on-hand inventory, decrease labor costs, and save him money. All while keeping his practice compliant with DEA state regulations. So, in a world of Johns, why not be more like Jackie? Contact ezyVet or Cubex to learn more.